Hold on. Okay.
We're planting tuberous begonias, and we talked about the way the leaves need to point because the flowers point the same way as the leaves. What we didn't talk about yet is the soil. If you're going to plant tuberous begonias in your garden, they're one of the things that needs a lot more air to the roots to be successful. We sell a potting soil that we use. It's called Professional Mix, and if you add that to your soil and you point the leaves out to where you want the flowers to be, your success is greatly improved. We actually have a very high air capacity soil mix that allows the begonias to root in and be tight. They're a great shade plant. They bloom all summer, lots of different colors, and can really give you a blast of color. So you might want to try these if you've never before. Non-stop tuberous begonias.